Okay, so we're continuing from the previous video. I didn't realize I went 7 minutes. I don't even know if I'm going to upload that video, but here is the case, or not the case. It's the box of 08-09 Black Diamond Hockey with Malkin on the cover. So I'm going to move that over here. Take the packs out. Don't really do that. Game Used Hockey is a new product they're making. Stack there. I might have to start putting some cards on the floor. Jeez. I'm gonna go stack there. Alright. Let's begin. I suck at opening card packs, just so you know. I'll probably do some corners along the way. There are bunches of decoys in here, so I won't go through the base. 1, 1, 1, decoy, 1. 3 of Giguère. He's the one that I have a die cut of on the other one. Alright, base, we're going to put that over there. My phone's ringing, I'm going to ignore it. Hey, no surprise, it's just like Chris's videos, even though I'm a lot worse than Chris. Phone rings. Another decoy. 1, 1, a 2 of Seddon. Put that over there. Decoy. 1, 1. All the base. Fun base. Jeez. Okay, something is wrong here if I can't even open these. There we go. One, decoy. 1, 1, 1. Base pack, awesome. Gotta hurry up, we're not going too fast. Okay, this is ridiculous. Why can't I open card packs? There we go. One base. 1. Triple rookie gem of Nikolai Kulemin for Toronto. And we'll put that over here. Wow, that was dumb. Sorry, flip the camera over. Next pack. Looks like we have a decoy. Never mind. Oh! Premier die cut of Heinrich Lundqvist. Number 2 for the Rangers. That's a nice card. Looks like the goalie pack. Decoy. 1, 1, 1. Base. It's a nice card. With the last pack, this pack has box has a lot to live up to. That pack was like the best pack I've ever seen in my life, and this one is we got a rookie on the back. 1, 1, 1, decoy. 1. Triple diamond of Vladimir Mihalik for Tampa Bay. Rookie gem. Base. What is the average packs per minute to keep this within 10 minutes long? We'll see. Two per minute, and they're not. Oh, it didn't feel good. Alright. 1, 1, decoy, 1, 1, 1. Another base pack. 2 of Daniel Briere. Not bad. Decoy. 1. Right, we gotta speed this up. Nothing real big so far. I'm just gonna get rid of the decoy. Makes things go faster. Right, 1, 2 of Hedjuk, something H-E-J-D-U-K. Why do hockey players have to have so weird names? Alright, next pack. Actually opened. Gonna ditch the decoy. Alright, 1 quad diamond of Carey Price for the Canadians. Goalie. 1. So that was alright. And we have our first hit. I'm gonna show it to you first. Alright, it's gonna go last. 1. And the hit is a quad jersey of R.J. Umberger for Columbus, I guess now. He's in a Philadelphia uniform, but in Columbus is the logo. Alright, we gotta pick it up. I doubt we're gonna make 10 minutes. That's gonna suck. Decoy. 1. 3 of Danny Heatley for Ottawa. Yeah, I'm guessing this video is gonna be in 2 parts too. Yeah, this is definitely going to be in 2 parts. 3-part video, just to unbox a thing of cards. Oh boy. Decoy. 1. How many packs do we have left? Okay, I'm going to cut it after this pack. I'll go with another couple videos. 1. Decoy. 1. 3 of Paul Stastny. I have an autograph of him as well. Okay. So I'm cutting the video here. Watch part 2 for these last 10 packs. Yeah, 10. Okay. See you guys in a minute.